Excellent news po para sa mga takers natin ng NAPOLCOM entrance exam sa Bacolod City Testing Center. Pwede na po kayo mag-walk-in on March 21, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28 sa regional office. Yan po ay nasa Fuentes, Corner Ledesma Streets, Iloilo City, Iloilo. Magdala po ng tama at completing requirements tulad ng mga sumusunod. Number 1, isang government-issued ID showing your date of birth. Number 2, certified true copy or CTC of any of the following school documents. Pwedeng letter A, transcript of records or TOR. Pwedeng letter B, diploma. Letter C, certificate of graduation. Kung wala kayong CTC, magdala ng original at isubmit ang photocopy. Number 3, magdala kayo ng dalawang identical copies ng passport size colored photos showing yourself wearing a white shirt with a white background, holding a name tag showing your first name, middle name, and last name, one legal size white envelope with 21 pesos worth of postal stamps and 400 pesos para sa inyong pangbayad ng exam fee. Tandaan po na hindi tatanggapin ang NBI, barangay, at police clearance bilang ID. Join our 15-day final coaching course from April 7 to 25. Ang atin pong schedule sa Zoom ay 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. para kayo na ang susunod na #NAPOLCOM Passer.